Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and safety. Plug in or ensure the internal battery reads at least half charged. Once done, visually inspect the fuse and connectors. Swap a blown 5A fuse to avoid damage. Then, press and hold the power button for 3 to 5 seconds until the LED flashes blue. This enters pairing mode. Make sure to place the gadget near your phone or hub during pairing. This reduces dropouts and speeds the initial connection. You now move into app configuration. Open the Holi app and select the device listed as nearby, then tap Connect. After connection, check for firmware update and allow it to download fully. Make sure the gadget stays powered and within range while it updates to avoid corruption. Next, configure core parameters. Set brightness, timing schedules, and sensitivity thresholds so the gadget behaves predictably. If you need advanced modes, toggle them now and save the profile. This streamlines repeated use. You complete setup by running a full test cycle to confirm lights, motors, and sensors operate together. Observe response and note any delays. Once satisfied, save 2 to 3 named profiles for common routines and export a backup if the app supports it. This saves time later. If the gadget becomes unresponsive, reboot it first, then repair via the app and verify firmware versions. If problems persist, contact support and include the serial number and a short video showing the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.